In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make rupee symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. Okay, so we just need to go ahead and go in the search bar and simply type Word. Click on Microsoft Word under the best match. Click on the blank document. Then we just need to simply look at the ribbon at the top and we can find the insert tab. Click on that. Now here we can find symbol. Click on this drop down and click on more symbols. Now for the font, just leave it as normal text. For the subset, click on this drop down arrow and then we have to look for this one, currency symbols. Okay, then here we just need to simply look for the rupee symbol and here it is. Okay, Indian rupee sign. So obviously you can quickly click on the insert button and that will be inserted, but you can also create a shortcut text. So click on autocorrect and we are going to replace it with the text as we type. So let's type in here backslash rupee. So whenever you are going to insert the rupee symbol, you just need to simply type backslash rupee and click on add, click on OK, and then close this. Now let's try. Let me quickly insert the font size, backslash rupee, hit enter. Okay, and that's it. Okay, so I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.